Hi, my name's Adam Flynn from Biggin and Scottish Real Estate here in the City of Knox. Thank you for your inquiry on this property. If you have any questions on this property or any of the properties we currently have on the market, please feel free to give me a call on 0423 694 755. Thank you for your inquiry and have a fantastic day.
Here's a rare opportunity to purchase this stunning property, a must-see for anyone wanting only the highest levels of quality, low-maintenance family living. With a generously sized formal lounge dining area, separate family rooms, stunning kitchen, large separate rumpus room, huge bedrooms with built-in robes, enormous master with full ensuite and walk-in robe, gas heating, air conditioning, double remote garage with internal access, and the list goes on. This feature-packed property comes fully equipped with a large paved outdoor entertaining area leading off from the family room, perfect for entertaining. Close to all amenities including schools, shops, transport, Westfield Shopping Centre, Eastlink and more, this beautiful property, put simply, is a must-see. At Biggin & Scott Knox, we deliver.